See if it'll pick up the Cadillac or on the stop sign. That's gonna be the only fucking clip on this thing today, but you know, whatever. Temptation calling out to me. Are you fucking serious? Look, a Lyft Uber driver in a Corolla. Dumbass and catering truck.
Economic slowdown in China, which is reportedly hurting Apple's business.
Asshole left and a stop sign runner.
Numbers out today from the Highway Traffic Safety Administration says more than 60
and another stop sign runner. Thank you. What the? Is that Lexus up the butt of the Malibu? Oh, it's that same fucking Malibu from the other day.
WBZ traffic on the 3.
And then rolls the stop, and this idiot takes a right. The fuck are you doing, you dumbass? Hey, this shithead. Uh-huh. Thank you, dump truck. Yep, an idiot in the Lexus again, yeah. I'm gonna bet that he or she runs the stop sign, seeing as how you're accelerating before you even get there. Hey, I won the bet. What do you know? My God, he did it again! Jesus! The fuck, dude? You fucking idiot! LT6. This is one lane, stupid. What the fuck are you doing? Go. No, you know he didn't. This is an asshole behind. Ah! And you ran 2 stop signs. Nothing like looking. Stop here on red. Stop here on red. What is so friggin' hard to see about stop here on red? You just pull further up, J. Murph. Is this going to be an idiot exit diving? Yes, it is. stop sign behind me. Go ahead. Go ahead. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. She did it. Watch her on the stop. Yep. Put down the phone. Light runner. Never ends, kids. Never, never, never. Don't cry out loud, just keep it inside and try to stop for the stop sign. You nitwit drivers, go back to where you came from, planet oblivious. I'm out of my friggin' mind. What do you want from me? When the day is done. What the fuck are you doing, stupid? You don't stop in the middle of the fucking highway. Shithead. Dickhead. I see traffic, I gotta stop. Good move, stupid. Idjit and Corolla. Okay. Exit dive and a dickhead. Fly high and proud. Roll the stop sign, Camry. There goes a dive. Yeah.
Patahi, who has dual citizenship, returned to Saudi Arabia in 2006 and built a career as a prominent motivational speaker. In 2017, he was one of about 200 Saudi citizens.
Go ahead, run the stop. Yep. Ran the stop. Get off my tail! Fuck you. Fuck you. I see you waving, fuckface. Cruise control still on. Watch this. Told you. You're so smart, huh, dummy?
Right now, west of town is Leominster. We're seeing 26 degrees. South of the city on the Cape, it's 35 in Mashpee.
That's a stop sign run. Asshole. Get off my fucking tail. Off my tail, you scumbag. Fucking asshole. I got another one. Assholes everywhere. This fucking bus.